Hey guys, and welcome to the Promax Gold installation video. The first thing you want to do is open Data folder, open up the MQL4 folder, and then you want to go ahead and unzip the file that we sent you. Go into Promax, open up the MQL4 over there, go into Experts, drag the expert or copy and paste it into the Experts folder. Now the next thing you want to do is go into Indicators, copy or drag the indicator and paste it into the indicators folder. And now the next thing you want to do after that is go into presets and copy and paste or drag the presets into the presets folder. Go ahead and do that. Now the next thing you want to do is go onto the left hand corner, refresh, and you can see Promax EA over there. And you want to go ahead and add a gold chart. So go into spot metals, XAU USD, and then you want to go ahead and set the time frames from the right till the end, and then set it on a 5-minute time frame. You want to go ahead and double click on Promax, go into common, make sure allow DLL imports and allow live trading is on. Go into the inputs, you want to load your preset, your desired preset, and you're going to go ahead and set the U offset to the time difference between your broker and GMT. So ours is 3, and we're going to go ahead and put 3 and OK. And as you can see, Promax is now working on your chart. The next thing you want to do is email us with your account number to support@Sinri Advice and request for activation.